Well, it's another busy day at the law enforcement offices.
Step out of the vehicle
Sir,
now.
please.
Step out of the vehicle now.
Please.
Step out of the vehicle.
Please get somebody
now.
up.
Step out of the vehicle. You're going to get pepper sprayed. Do you
Why are you
understand
trying
me?
to anything
Step
to
out
you?
of the vehicle.
Please stop
Comply
trying.
with my command.
Somebody
Step
up here.
out of
Please
the
do not-
vehicle. I am trying to get you to comply.
I am complying
with
with
my
you.
command.
All this protecting and serving the crud monkeys out of people makes a man hungry for more power. Hungry jackboot thug power, that is.
Hungry! Hungry Jack! That's my Hungry Jack. Bet you got one too.
Not just one, Ma. We got plenty of hungry jackboot thugs over here in Virginia. They just keep gobbling our rights down, and their tyrannical plate just comes back for more.
Hungry Jack, they gobble them down and the plate comes back for a Hungry Jack.
Let's talk a little bit about traffic law. Take my word for it, it's very constitutional. It gives road pirates, police officers like Trooper Logan here, the authorization they need to trample your rights. Protect and serve you. Trooper Logan, badge number 736, is from the Virginia State Police. He's a real beauty, ain't he? He really likes that shiny badge. Anyway, let's watch Trooper Logan in action and see how he makes his part of the world just a little safer.
Out of the
Sir,
vehicle.
officer, please tell me your reason for stop. Can I get your name and badge number? Please.
Trooper Logan.
Okay.
Virginia State Police.
Right.
Badge number 736.
Right. What is your reason for stopping me, officer?
I'm stopping you because you have no front plate, no state inspection sticker. You came to a stop at a green light with your right turn signal on and then made a left as it turned yellow and then red.
Okay, so me
Okay,
having confusion is a crime?
So, you not complying with my orders is a
Sir,
crime. Now
you
step out.
opened my door before you even gave me a reason of why you stopped me.
Listen,
You opened my door and reached and you grabbed my... Did you not?
step out of the vehicle.
You got to get somebody up here. I'm sorry,
Step
sir.
out
You
of
got
the
to get...
vehicle.
I am on lunch break.
Sir, here's how this is going to work, all right? I've told you now who I am and why I've stopped
But you did not do that.
So
You
listen to me.
immediately said,
Listen to
roll
me.
down your back window. We're going to
said,
see what's
can
in
you
your
roll
back.
down this back
You said
window?
before you do it, I rolled down my front window for you so you could see me and see what I am doing.
Here's how this is going to go. All right?
I am...
Listen to me.
I am feared for my life right now. I need you to get somebody
I'm
up
make
here.
this very clear to you.
I need you to get somebody
I'm
up
gonna make
here,
this
sir.
very clear to you. You're going to step out now
Sir.
and comply with my instructions, or you're going to be under arrest for obstructing justice.
I am not...
Now, let's pause it right here before things really start to heat up. And let's take a moment to reflect on another heroic Virginia State Trooper. Remember this guy? That's former Virginia State Trooper Charles Hewitt. Charles Hewitt was about the business of keeping his area safe from Derek Thompson. Special note, he is an effing specimen.
Take a look at me. I'm a specimen right here, buddy.
See? Told ya. Now let's take a brief trip down memory lane and visit this specimen of a man, shall we?
This officer is trying to unlock my car. This officer is unlocking my car. They just illegally entered my car. And I'm being forcefully removed.
Take a look at me. I'm a specimen right here, buddy.
Sir, I'm
you
in
have
no...
gotten on my last
My
nerve.
hands are up on camera.
All right?
I'm in no threat
You're
to these
going to get your
officers.
ass whooped in front of the Lord and all creation.
My
I'm going to
hands are
give you one more chance.
I'm being threatened. I
I'm
feel
giving
unsafe.
you a chance.
I feel unsafe. And I'm in no threat to these three officers. My hands are up. One hand on this camera.
Well, come on,
My
then.
seatbelt is being arrested.
As long as your
Look at
hands
this.
are up, that's fine.
I'm not resisting.
As long as your hands are
I
up.
was unlawfully.
Okay, come on
Sir,
out.
please do not touch me, sir.
Keep your phone out.
Sir, please do not touch me.
See, that's where we're coming to a disagreement.
It's not about
I'm
this.
giving you to the count of
I'm
three.
being-
You don't do
Oh,
this.
sir,
Don't do it.
I'm
Don't
not
do it,
touching
man.
this officer. It's
Don't
on
do
camera.
it.
My hand is by
Step
my
out of
head.
the car right
I'm
now.
being threatened.
Now you're
I'm being
under arrest.
threatened. I'm making it
One,
known I am no threat to this
two.
officer. I've been threatened.
Watch the show,
My
folks.
life is in danger. My life is in danger.
Somebody's drawn real deep from the wells of tyranny over there in Virginia, let me tell you. Let's just continue on with former Trooper Hewitt's blue line brother, Lunatic Logan.
I'm not obstructing you. I just need you to
This is
Why
it.
do I need to step out of my vehicle if
This-
it's an inspection
listen to me.
and something else? I didn't do anything.
Listen.
I
to
did
me.
not do anything illegal. And those lights will show it. Me
This is
having
the
a
last-
wrong blinker.
This is your last opportunity.
Me having a
Are you gonna
blinker
step
is
out of
not.
the vehicle?
Sir, what do I have to step out the vehicle for?
All right. Step out.
Sir, do
You're
not.
under arrest.
Under
You
arrest
are
for what?
Under arrest for obstructing.
I'm not obstructing. I just would like you to get
736
somebody up here.
City of Unit, I'm gonna be on a traffic stop. Male resisting arrest.
I am not. Oh, I am not
Franklin
resisting
Street,
arrest. I'm not.
40.
I didn't do anything.
Step out.
I did not do anything, officer. I did not.
out of
I
the
did not
vehicle.
do anything. I do not. Please stop touching me.
Step out of the vehicle
And not-
now. Step out of the vehicle now.
Please let me go, sir. I'm on my lunch break. I am on my lunch break.
Step
I am on
out
my lunch
of the
break.
vehicle.
Please let me go. Please let me go. Sir. Sir.
Now, before he says step out of the vehicle for the 100th time, I just want to ask, why not just give the guy a ticket and be on your way? I'm not for road piracy or the fishing expeditions called traffic stops, but come on. I'm even less for going hands-on and brutalizing a guy for no reason.
You
Sir.
can step out of this vehicle.
Officer, you did not give me a legitimate reason on why you're pulling me out of my vehicle.
You're gonna step out of this vehicle.
Can somebody help me? Help!
Step out
Help!
of the vehicle now. Step out of the vehicle
Sir,
now.
please get somebody up here because this is wrong. Please get somebody up here.
Step out of the vehicle now.
Please get somebody up here.
Step out of the vehicle.
Please get somebody
now.
up here.
All right.
I didn't do anything. I did not. See? Stop.
Step out of the vehicle. You're going to get pepper sprayed. Do you
Why are
understand
you trying
me?
to pepper spray me? I'm not doing anything
Step
to
out
you.
of the vehicle.
Please stop
Comply
trying.
with my commands.
Please get somebody
Step
up
out.
here. Please get somebody
Step
up here.
out of
Please
the
do
vehicle.
not pepper spray me. I did not do anything.
All right.
I did not do anything to you. Why are you trying to hurt me?
I am trying to get you to comply.
I am complying
my
with you.
commands.
And I am complying. What do you want me to do?
Step
What do
out
you-
of the vehicle.
What for what? What is your reasoning for stepping me out the vehicle? Like, dude, see? Aggressive ass cop.
Step
Somebody
out
get him.
of the vehicle.
Somebody-
You have been given a lawful order to step out of the vehicle. Do it now.
For sir. Sir, I'm asking you, why are you trying to pull me out of my vehicle? I'm asking you, why are you trying to pull me out of my vehicle, sir? Sir.
Step out
Sir.
of the vehicle now.
Sir.
Step out of the vehicle
Sir.
now.
Please stop. Please stop. I didn't do
Step
anything.
out.
I did not do
On your
anything.
face. On your face.
I did not do anything. They're both. Can I get both? Please. Help!
His hand.
Help! Somebody help!
I got both his hands.
Sir, can you come closer, please? Sir, please. I didn't do nothing.
I got it. 117.
Quella, help me!
Step away from me.
Help me!
Step away.
Quella, get my phone. Quella, get my phone.
No.
Get my phone, Quella.
Step back.
No, Quella, get my
No,
phone.
we're not grabbing his phone right
Grab,
now.
I recorded everything. Get my phone, Quella. Get my phone. Get my phone, Quella. Get my phone. That is my shit. I recorded everything. I didn't do nothing.
All this footage was taken by the YouTube channel Zay. Unfortunately, there's no more detail at this time. I can only imagine that in addition to the traffic violations, this guy got slapped with the old resisting and obstructing law enforcement injustice. I'll leave the link to the original video in the description. Leave your thoughts about this for the world and the global thought police in the comments section below. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notification icon, give it a thumbs up, share it with everybody you know. Don't forget to subscribe to my email list through my website, highimpactflix.com. If you want to support the channel further, grab a shirt, become a channel member, but more importantly, know what your rights are. Understand that freedom is dangerous. The only thing more dangerous than freedom is not having freedom. I'll see you in the next video.